What does that say? Yeah, working on the ramp truck again. Got my drive shaft today. Just better turn that right side up. There's the shaft out of it. It was too short. Got some awesome beat marks on it there. Looks like somebody was welding on this end. Didn't shake, but it's not the right length. Here's my new drive shaft. It's right length, 48 inches. I had to change yokes. Another Turbo 400 yoke on it, 32 spline. This is the yoke I need. So I thought, when I changed it, I'd remove it that way and leave the U-joint in the drive shaft. That's the U-joint out of the drive shaft. And each cap, one of the caps fell out. Where's the needles? There's the needles. They're laying sideways in the caps. I don't remember exactly which one it was. I think that one's got all of them in it. Anyways, there's one on this side and one on this side. Probably why the yoke was extremely tight on it. But I took the U-joint out of the drive shaft in the truck. I'm going to have to use it. So once I get that back on, I'll try and stick the drive shaft in. Well, I got the yoke on. At least the correct one for the truck. So the next thing is I'm going to try to install it. A little bigger round than the one out of it, but I guess it should be stronger. I have to say I was a little disappointed in the U-joints. Not that it's not a good U-joint, but somebody, one of the needles fall out and go sideways in it. I should have known something was up and it was too tight, because that yoke was tight when you moved it. I would think the NASCAR team would do a little bit better job than that. Unless that was the new guy's job. Well, if you're watching NASCAR and somebody's drive shaft goes flying out, that might be why. I know I've heard of them coming out, but I don't watch NASCAR that much though. At least not anymore. Well, getting ready to install the drive shaft. Thought I'd give it one last look over. There's some gunk on it I cleaned up, some old duct tape. I got looking at it. What does that say? DEI. Pretty sure that stands for what? Dale Earnhardt Incorporated. That got me a do it for Dale shaft. I bet Cletus McFarland doesn't even have that. I got more Dale stuff than he does. Ha ha ha. Well, I got some more good news. Trying to put the wiring back on the column. Turn signals. Ignition switch. And there is the neutral safety switch wires. Isn't that awesome? There's the switch. At least one for the hydraulic clutch. And luckily it's got some wires on it. I have to connect them back to those. It's awesome fixing all the stuff people fuck up. I think that's all I ever do. I'm sick of it. Quit whacking crap, you people. It makes a mess for people like me that want to do stuff right. Yeah, we got the driveshaft figured out. This will be 39.5. We had to touch up the yoke, or the end, whatever you want to call it. Somebody beat the crap out of it. That's the good side, that's the bad side. You can see all the beat marks. And the beat mark there. Usually what happens when people work on stuff and don't know what they're doing. And there is, you can see it, supposed to be a cotter pin in there. Of course there wasn't one. Awesome weld job. The other two are in it. That's the last one. Hopefully I can get that fixed here sometime. Still hunting parts. You come up with another radiator, but I don't know what to say about it either. Parts of these trucks are getting difficult to find. Good ones anyways. Right, cat? Cat don't care. Gonna put a radiator in on eBay. Chinese radiator. Chinese radiator, and go figure, it's not made quite right. Not tall enough. From there to there, about 3/4 of an inch too short. Put underneath the radiator. Down in here. That's that side. Here's that. And a little rubber sit in there. Move the radiator up. Need to go find another one of these for a 4-core. Got one for a 3-core. This could cut the rubber there, but don't really want to. Need to paint those. You should be able to stick the radiator in. Got the top piece. Got the shroud here somewheres. Right here. Gotta do some work to it. It was cracked, still need to finish it up. And I did finally find trans tunnel cover for the right ear of cab. The hole in there, past that hole, that should be good to go. You bolt it down. Spray a little paint on that. Hoses. Waiting on a dry shaft. Called today and told me it was done. Haven't heard nothing. It's going on 5 o'clock, so probably tomorrow, hopefully. I think the place is open until 9 p.m., but who knows? At least the weather's better now. Been raining constantly for about a week straight again. Just got the plug wires on, plugs in, headers bolted on. Belts, new belts on. Still need to get some studs. Hold the clutch fan on. Just got battery cables hooked up too. Starters on. I should have done already, I don't know. I cleaned up the firewall. Seems like everything on here that was plastic that could be broke was broke. Other than that, everything should be getting about ready to be good to go to get it running and moving. Radiator, dry shaft, that's the two biggest things left.